Hello everyone, welcome to the new tutorial lesson of EXModel Pro. Okay, today we are going to learn the most important function of CAD editing, which is trimming. And also, so first of all, before we need to do the reverse engineering work, we need to extract the primitives relying on the mesh model. Okay, so first thing first, we need to extract. Just do some quick extraction here. Okay, create and stay. Cylinder, make it solid, make it stay. Inner cylinder, stay in the plane. Create and stay. Okay. Alright. So we have created some. We have extract some key primitives relying on the mesh data, and next we can do the trim function. So first thing we need to pay attention is we need to make sure that every relative primitives need to be crossed over. Like this plane, we need to make it a little bit over, cover the inner hole, and we can make inner cylinder a little bit oversized. Yep. Okay, it's perfect. Yeah, this plane already cover all the information inside, which is totally okay. So we do not need to manually edit the dimensions of this plane here. Okay. So there are some key methods to perform the trimming. So method one, you can hold the left mouse button, drag, cover all the information inside the rectangular, and you see this icon pops up. So this is the trim button here. And inside the trim menu, you can using the apply automatic trimming if the model is very simple and obvious. So we can see the result pretty okay. But if we find that the result is not very ideal, we can always reset trim. And you see this is a swap visible. So if we turn it on, we can see the real mesh data in real time. Under this mode, we can check and decide whether this part is necessary and other parts need to be deleted. And we can also manually select the cylinder button to make sure make it visible or not, in order to make it more easy for us to trim, while we need to make sure what need to be kept and what need to be gone. Alright, we reset and cancel. So method 2 is we hold the control button on our keyboard, and you see we can also activate the trim function. Then the third way is we select all the information and right click. You can see we can also move to the trim function here. So personally speaking, it is very useful if we want to do the reverse engineering, because we need to upload the CAD file format. Therefore, we need to make sure the trimming is very handheld. Yeah, so we can always reset, and it is recommended to make sure the swap visible, and we can manually click button here. One click and another. Okay, and once the result is pretty good for us, or we are perfect, we are very happy about the performance, you can click the OK. And here is the CAD file format. Yes. So this is the trim function. We can always roll back if we think there are some mistakes happened. So you just need to hold the control button and plus the Z button on the keyboard, so it will reverse the steps, and make sure you do not make mistakes after the trimming. Okay,